See here, a man can row 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream in 13 hours. Also, he can row 30 km upstream, 44 km downstream in 10 hours. Find the speed of the current. Now, upstream speed. What is upstream speed? U minus V. Downstream speed is U plus V. Now, 40 distance by speed. Upstream speed is U minus V plus 55 by U plus V, which is equals to 13. This is what is given. Time taken for him is 13 hours. So upstream and downstream time is equal to 13. Coming to second equation, 30 by this is upstream. So what is upstream speed? U minus V plus downstream is traveled 44 with the speed of U plus V. Then the total time is 10 hours. Now generally don't solve these kind of equations in the exam. Try to find by trial and error. Now 55 and 44. What are the factors of 55 generally? 1, 5, 11, 55. What are the factors of 44? 1, 4, 11, 44, 22, 2, all the stuff. What is the number common here? 11. So U plus V can be 11 or multiples of 11. So if U plus V is equals to 11, let us go by trial and error process. If U plus V is equals to 11, 55 by 11 is how much? 5. If this is 5, how much I have to get? 8. 8 means 40 by 5. It means U minus V will be how much? U minus V will be 5. Let us verify here whether this is satisfying in the second equation or not. 30 by 5, which is how much? 6. 44 by 11, which is 4. 6 plus 4 equals to 10, which is satisfying, right? So this is how you have to do in the exam. Okay. Now what is the question he is asking us to find? He is asking us to find speed of the current. He is asking us to find speed of the current. I have to find the value of V. Subtract these two. What you will get? You will get 2V equivalent to 6. Implies V is equals to 3. So the option is none of these. A man can row 8 km in still water. If the river is running at 3 km per hour, it takes 3 hours more in upstream than to go downstream for the same distance. How far the place is? Let the distance be D. Let the upstream speed. What is upstream speed? 8 minus 11. Sorry, 8 minus 3, which is 5. Upstream it will take more time than downstream. So D by downstream. What is the downstream speed? 8 plus 3, which is 11. Equivalent to, what is the time difference is given? 3. How many hours more? He said that 3 hours more. So equals to 3. While solving these kind of equations, simply concentrate on the denominator and take the LCM. So 5 and 11. What is the LCM of 5 and 11? 55. Throughout the equation, multiply it with 55. So you will get 11D. 55 into D by 5 is 11. 11D minus 5D equivalent to 55 into 3. Implies 6D is equivalent to 55 into 3. D equal to 55 into 3 by 6. 3 ones, 3 twos. So 55 by 2, which is equals to 27.5 kilometers. Simply the answer is option 3. Speed of motorboat in still water is 45 km per hour. If the motorboat travels 80 km along the stream means downstream, in 1 hour 20 minutes, the time taken by it to cover the same distance against the stream will be. First of all, to cover distance is equals to, what is the formula? Distance is equals to speed into time. What is the distance? 80 km downstream. Downstream means U plus V. U is given 45. We don't know V. Into 1 hour 20 minutes. So 1 hour 20 minutes can be written as 1 by 3 hour. Now this is nothing but 45 plus V into 1 by 3 can be written as 4 by 3, which is 80. 4 ones, 4 20s. This implies you will get 45 plus V is equal to 60. The 60 is nothing but 3 into 20. Okay, 60. So implies V is equal to how much? 15. So the downstream speed is, the current is flowing at 15 km per hour. Now what is the question? The time taken to cover the same distance against the stream. Against the stream means the speed will be u minus v. Time equivalent to distance by speed. What is the speed? U minus v. What is u? 45. What is v? 15. And d is 80. So 80 by 45 minus 15. That equivalent to 80 by 30. On simplification, you will get 2 hours 20 by 30. It means 2 hours 40 minutes. So option 3 is an answer. Speed of a boat is 5 km per hour in still water and speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. If the boat takes 3 hours to go to a place and come back, the distance of the place is go and come back is given. So let the distance be d. If they are traveling in the along with the stream, the speed will become u plus v, 8, 5 plus 3, plus time taken while coming upstream. It means u minus v. So 5 minus 3, which is 2, equals to how much is given? 3 hours. What is the process you have to do? Simply multiply it with 8. LCM of 8 and 2. You will get d plus 4d equivalents to 8 3s are 24. So d equivalents to 24 by 5, which is equals to 4.8 kilometers. So option 3 is an answer. The speed of a boat along the stream is 12 km per hour and against the stream is 8 km per hour. The time taken by the boat to sail 24 km in still water. Still water means the current speed will become 0. Now what is given? U plus v is equivalent to 12. U minus v equals to 8. If you add this, you will get 2u equal to 20, u equals to 10. The speed of the boat is 10. If it wants to travel in still water time of 24 km, time taken will be equals to distance by speed. Speed of the boat in still water is 10. That equals to 2.4 hours. So the answer is option 3.